Hey y'all, Liz here. All right, so you know what? Something that I haven't talked about with regards to the world-class client retention workshop, you're going to hear some brand new ideas for client retention that no one in your space is talking about or doing, has ever even thought about. Brand new ideas that you can bring to your area that are going to be mind blowing for your clients. They're going to be on Facebook. They're going to be telling all of their friends because this stuff is new and different and exciting. It's making your customers feel like, wow, they really matter to you. This is not stuff that's going to cost you an arm and a leg either. So this event is going to sell out. Make sure that you get live in the room. That's where you're going to find the best feedback, the best strategies, the best scripts, and the best systems. Livestream is a great second, especially if you know you can't travel. But if you can get live in the room, that's where the money is, y'all. All right. Hope to see you September 26th and 27th in Houston. Talk soon. Bye, y'all.